Suppose that a library contains 11,500 books now and adds 250 books every month. Write an explicit formula for a linear model that describes this growth. So it's nice that they gave us the fact that it's a linear model, but we didn't really need that because it says it adds 250 books every month. That means that we're always adding 250. That's what we call D in our linear model. Initially 11,500, that's what we call P sub 0. The model we're using is P sub n equals P sub 0 plus dn. So we actually have everything we need. Now in this case they have a t, so we would be replacing the n with a t. But that's an easy enough change. Okay, so we can just write this directly. It's 11,500 plus 250t. And it's okay if you have those reversed to write it 250t plus 11,000. And t's and pluses are looking a little too close. There we go. That's okay. If this trend continues, how many books will the library contain in a year? Okay, aha. 1 year equals 12 months. In this case, t represents the number of months, so we actually have to work out p sub 12. So plugging in 12 into this explicit linear model gives us this formula, which we can then use our calculator to evaluate. I think I have too many zeros there. I do. I'll erase that in a minute. 2 zeros plus 2, well, let's do 12 now, times 250. There we go. Answer being 14,500. Let me erase one of those zeros. There we go. Great. How long before the library contains 20,000 books? Well, that 20,000 in our formula would go for P sub t. So our formula here, P sub t equals 11,500 plus 250t. We wouldn't plug it in for t. That's not how many months. We would plug that in for the P sub t to get 20,000 equals 11,500 plus 250t. Now we go through our arithmetic. Let's subtract the 11,500. Oops, come on, there we go. And that would be, let's see, 500 would get us to 12,000, so 8,500. But let's double check that. 11,500 minus, oh, I'm doing it wrong. Now I'm going to do, this is kind of weird to do it backwards. I just know I'll get the negative answer. Yeah, 8,500. And then that's going to be divided by 250. Let's do a step ahead. 34. Okay. So we have 8,500 equals 250t. And then we divide by 250. And we get t equals 34. It should be 34 months. With our calculator and the answer button, we could start off with 11,500, enter, and then answer plus the 250 books each month. This will be 1 month. To get to 1 year, that's 12 months. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now that's 12. Let's see how long it takes to get to 20,000. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Kind of an awkward repetitive way, but the repetitive, that's called recursive definition. And that's essentially what this problem gave us, was the recursive definition. Interesting way to check. It's nice to know your calculator, if it has an answer button, how to use it nice. Okay, hope this helps.